Hey guys, welcome back to DeAnn Creates, where I show you how to make crafts, DIY, and home decor projects without spending a lot of money. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I turned this old raggedy vase that was on its way to the trash can into a beautiful modern accessory. So if you like to see how I did it, then keep watching. Before you begin, if you have an old ridiculous vase like mine, then you may want to wash your vase with soap and water to remove any peeling paint or other debris and let it dry thoroughly. First, I grabbed Anita's all-purpose acrylic craft paint in the color white. I squeezed some into a bowl and then I realized I was running out of it. So I grabbed my Master's Touch acrylic paints in the color titanium white. I poured Arm & Hammer baking soda into the bowl as well. If I had to guess, the measurements were about 1 part baking soda to 4 parts paint. I mixed everything together with a plastic spoon, making sure that the baking soda and the paint were mixed together completely. I grabbed my foam brush and I began painting the mixture all over the vase. Now I know you've probably seen this vase painting technique all over social media and YouTube. I have as well. But usually when I've seen it, it is always done in the traditional terracotta colors, you know, the earth tone reds and tans and browns. And although that's beautiful, I wanted to see if I could do the same thing and create a more modern West Elm crate and barrel type of vibe, because that's where I like to shop and that's pretty much how my house is decorated. I started to run low on my paint and baking soda mixture, so I made a little more. I made sure to paint inside the vase as far down as I could go. I used my hand dryer to speed up the drying process just a little bit because I didn't feel like waiting all day before I moved on to the second coat. If you're enjoying this video so far, then smash the like button and hit the subscribe button so you never miss another video from me. Dried it again with a hand dryer and did yet another coat of paint. In the comment section below, let me know what's your design aesthetic and let me know some of your favorite places to shop for home decor. If you like more craft, DIY, and home decor ideas, you can also follow me at Pinterest at DeAnn Creates. there's my design assistant Nala again, under the desk as usual, supervising everything. Okay, back to the project. To get the exact shade of turquoise that I wanted, I mixed different acrylic craft paints in shades of blue, green, and white. Then I added a little bit of baking soda to the turquoise paint. Next, I used painter's tape to wrap around the vase at the halfway point because I wanted to make a two-tone effect with my face. When you're putting the painter's tape down, you want to use your fingers to make sure you're pressing it all the way down against the vase so that when you start painting, the paint doesn't seep through. I use my foam brush to paint the color turquoise underneath the painter's tape. I made sure to paint the bottom of the vase as well. I slowly and carefully pulled off the painter's tape from the vase. And there you have it, another craft that was so easy to do and so much fun to make. Before you go, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and you can check out my website at DeAnnCreates.com. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and keep coming back because you never know what I'll be creating next. Bye guys.